Class 9th Chemistry Chapter 2 is Matter Around Us Pure. There are mainly two types of substance, pure substance and impure substance. Pure substance. A material which contains only one kind of particle is known as pure substance. There are two types of pure substance, element and compound. Element. It is the simplest substance made up of a single type of atom. Second, compound. Compound is composed of different type of atoms in a fixed proportion. Now let's move towards impure substance. It is made up of more than one type of particle. There are two types of impure substances, mixture and solution. Mixture. Substances made up of more than one elements or compound in any proportion are known as mixture. Solution. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. Now let's move towards homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. It is the mixture which contains particles of constituents in which particles of constituents are uniformly distributed throughout. Heterogeneous mixture. It is the mixture in which constituents do not have uniform distribution, instead they are distributed randomly. Solution. It's a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. The substance present in less quantity is known as solute, and the substance present in high quantity is known as solvent. There are mainly three types of solutions: saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. Let's understand what is saturated solution. The saturated solution is a solution formed with maximum amount of solute at a certain temperature. Unsaturated solution. It is a solution formed with non-maximum amount of solute at a certain temperature. Supersaturated solution. It's the solution which is formed with more than maximum amount of solute at a certain temperature. Mass percent of the solution is equal to mass of the solute upon mass of the solvent into 100. Volume percent of the solution is equal to volume of the solute upon volume of the solution into 100. Suspension. A heterogeneous mixture in which solute doesn't fully dissolve at all is known as suspension. Colloidal solution. The size of solute is intermediate as compared to particles present in true solution in colloidal solution. Now there are three types of elements: metal, metalloid and non-metal. We can classify this in according to their properties. Metal are very hard, but non-metal are brittle. Metal smelting point is very high and non-metal's melting point is low. Metal's boiling point is high and non-metal's boiling point is low. Metals oxide are acidic and non-metals oxide are basic. Metal is malleable and ductile. Non-metal is non-malleable and non-ductile. Metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metalloid are made up of both of these properties. Thank you. That's all for this video. Bye bye. Tata. See you.